Industrial and manufacturing companies use more energy than any other industry around the globe. And most commercial buildings spend up to half of their energy on heating and cooling systems that often use more energy and release more carbon than they really need. From headquarters to production and distribution, you have to keep employees comfortable and productive at all costs, and that makes it difficult to run your systems efficiently. The problem is that balancing energy and comfort levels takes a lot of complex guesswork and manual adjustments. But today's advancements in technology mean your facilities don't have to sacrifice sustainability or overspend on energy to keep employees comfortable. Honeywell's AI-powered software easily connects to your facility's existing systems and puts your comfort and sustainability goals on autopilot, so you can cut carbon emissions and save 10 to 20% in HVAC energy costs. Honeywell Forge Energy Optimization connects your facilities to the cloud and interprets near real-time building data using artificial intelligence. Then it calculates ideal HVAC settings for each site and automatically adjusts your system set points every 15 minutes. When your comfort systems run themselves, they can achieve performance beyond what's humanly possible. And you can visualize near real-time energy savings and zone-by-zone comfort levels from anywhere in the world. Contact a Honeywell advisor today to learn more about Honeywell Forge Energy Optimization.